Creativity is a magical thing. I'll start with something that catches my attention. I'll start with something that I go, oh wow, look at that. And then what would look good next to it? So the process really is about finding relationships between things that have nothing to do with each other. You find the relationships, and through those relationships, an image will start to emerge. You never know. You never know what's going to happen. It happens when it happens. So collage is a really interesting process because you're kind of painting with pieces of paper. And the advantage is that you could move things around with removable tape until the composition comes into focus. You know, you have beautiful chords and music. There's a relationship between the notes, so it's the same thing with color. You have relationships that are pleasing. Then you look at the overall piece, you have composition is very important. How things are balanced, how things move. Is there space in the piece? I don't know, beauty. I'm passionate about beauty. That's what it is. I'm passionate about beauty. And it's a mystery. People don't know, what is beauty? It's not just in the eye of the beholder. There's some rules to what makes something beautiful. My name is Shirona. I'm a collage artist. I invite you to look at my gallery, choose a piece that resonates with you and would beautify your space.